Cement, the foundation of modern infrastructure. From towering skyscrapers to the sidewalks we walk on, this remarkable material is at the heart of construction. But how exactly is cement made? In today's video, we'll take you through the step-by-step process behind the production of one of the most crucial building materials on Earth. Scene 1. Cement versus concrete. Before we begin, let's clear up a common misconception. Cement and concrete are not the same. Concrete is the final product used in construction, but cement is one of its key ingredients, along with water and aggregates like sand and gravel. Without cement, there's no concrete, making it the crucial binding agent that holds everything together. Scene 2. Raw materials extraction. Cement production starts with two primary raw materials, limestone and clay. These materials are mined from quarries, often using powerful blasting techniques to break through the Earth's crust. Once extracted, the raw materials are transported to the cement plant for further processing. Scene 3. Crushing and grinding. At the crushing plant, large rocks of limestone and clay are broken down into smaller pieces. These smaller pieces are then ground into a fine powder, which is known as raw meal. Grinding the materials ensures that they are mixed evenly, allowing for uniformity in the final product. Scene 4. Preheating and calcination. Once ground, the raw meal enters a preheater tower, where it's gradually heated by hot gases from the kiln below. This preheating process prepares the materials for calcination, a critical stage in which the limestone is broken down into calcium oxide, releasing carbon dioxide. Scene 5. The kiln process. The next step is perhaps the most important, the kiln. This massive rotating furnace reaches temperatures of over 1450 degrees Celsius or 2642 degrees Fahrenheit. At this extreme heat, the materials undergo a series of chemical reactions, transforming into small, marble-sized pellets called clinker. Scene 6. Clinker cooling and storage. After leaving the kiln, the clinker needs to be cooled quickly to maintain its quality. This is done in a clinker cooler, where air is blown through to bring the temperature down. The cooled clinker is then stored, ready for the final stage of production. Scene 7. Cement grinding and additives. The final step is grinding the cooled clinker into fine powder. During this process, gypsum is added to regulate the setting time of the cement. Other additives, such as fly ash or slag, may also be included to enhance the cement's properties. Scene 8. Quality control and testing. Throughout the cement production process, strict quality control is essential. Cement plants conduct frequent chemical and physical tests to ensure that the final product meets industry standards. Every batch is tested for strength, setting time, and durability. Scene 9. Sustainability in cement production. As cement production is energy-intensive, the industry is constantly looking for ways to reduce its environmental impact. From using alternative fuels to developing carbon capture technologies, cement manufacturers are innovating to create a more sustainable future. Scene 10. The role of cement in construction. Cement plays a critical role in the construction industry, forming the backbone of everything from roads and bridges to residential homes. It's versatile, durable, and, when mixed with water and aggregates, creates concrete, the most widely used man-made material in the world. Scene 11. Conclusion. From raw materials to the final product, the journey of cement is one of precision, science, and innovation. Next time you walk on a sidewalk or drive over a bridge, remember that it all started with a few simple ingredients that were transformed through an extraordinary process. If you found this video informative, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth looks at how everyday materials are made.